let's start with chapter number 3, parts of computer. In this chapter, I will tell you about different parts of computer, like human being have different organ and we work through different organ, like with the hand we write. Like this, our computer also have different parts that helps us to do different tasks. We have monitor, keyboard, mouse and CPU, which is known as system unit. Let's start with the chapter now. Our body is like a machine. Our body, it is like a machine. Different parts of our body do different kinds of work. A plant also have many parts and each part performs special function. Like our body has different parts, like then the plants also have different parts, like they have stem, leaf, flower, root and what? They have roots. These are the different parts of plants. Like this computer also have different parts. Now, similarly, a computer also has many parts like our body and plants. These parts work together to do various tasks. And different parts, they work together. And what they perform different tasks. Like each part of the computer does its own job. Sabka apna apna what? Every part performs its own work. We have monitor, mouse, keyboard. With the help of keyboard, you write on the monitor. Then we have system unit. What are the main parts? Like monitor, keyboard, mouse and system unit. These are the main parts of computer. Now first is monitor. It looks like a television screen. Monitor screen displays the work that we do on the computer. And we can see pictures, alphabets and numbers on the monitors. What monitor screen displays? It displays whatever you write with the help of keyboard, and whatever work you have done on computer, it will shown to you on the monitor or your desktop. And we see pictures. You will see pictures, alphabets, number, whatever you have written by using the keyboard or by using the mouse. That is shown on your monitor. The front portion of monitor. The front portion of monitor is also called a screen or display. The front portion, which is also known as screen or display. Then we have keyboard. Keyboards have many buttons on it, which is known as keys. We have alphabetic key, numeric key, and some special. In the special key, we have functional key, spacebar key, delete key. There are different keys. I will tell you further in the chapter. And another part of computer is the key. Keyboard has small buttons on it and they are called keys. Each key has mark on it like letter, number or symbol. Alphabet, it depends upon the quadric system. In alphabetic key, you will see alphabet written on the top of all the keys. What are these? These are alphabetic. Then we have numeric key. They lie on the top and the leftmost corner. This is your numeric key and these are also your numeric. These all are known as numeric key. Number is written on them. Then we have functional key. These come under the special key F1 to F12. And this is the longest key, that is known as spacebar. With keys, you can type letter, words and numbers. With the help of these keys, you can write letters. You can also make sentences, numbers, as well as the different symbols you can write on the monitor. Then we have mouse. This is a mouse. It has tail and it has 3 buttons. Some mouse have 2 buttons and 1 scroll wheel. A computer also has a mouse. It looks like real mouse. It is used to point and click things on the monitor screen. With the help of mouse, you can point and click on the things. It has long wire attached to it. A mouse has 2 buttons and scroll wheel on it. It has 2 buttons. These are the 2 buttons. And in middle, it has what it has? It has scroll wheel. Now, Douglas Engelbart. He was the one who has first invented a mouse in 1964 and it was made up of origin. It was made up of. Now we have system unit, which is known as CPU, that is central processing unit. It is also known as brain of computer, and a system unit contains a CPU and some other parts of the computer. It has button that you press to switch on the computer. Here it has button. With the help of this button, what you do? You switch on the computer. Then we have CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It is brain of computer. What it's do? It controls all the operation. Its work is to control all the operation that is done by the computer. Now, in this chapter, I have told you about the 4 main parts of computer. What are the 4 main parts? Monitor, which looks like a television screen. Whatever work you will do will be displayed on your monitor screen. Then we have keyboard. It has number of buttons called keys. We have alphanumeric keys. We have special keys. And with the help of these keys, you can write words, numbers, and sentences on your monitor. We have mouse, which is known as pointing device. With the help of point per click, what you do? You choose the things on the monitor. Then we have CPU, which is known as system unit, central processing unit, and it is also known as brain of computer. It looks after all the work done by the computer. Now, chapter has been completed. Hope you understood the chapter. That's all for today. Thank you.